You know what? I waited a long time, and finally I think we have what it takes to bump up this channel's video quality to the next level. This right here is Sony ZV-E10 and I'm Raspreet Gill. Let's get into this box and unbox it. Alright, it says we get a 2-year warranty with a 64GB memory card inside it. Let's get the seal removed, pop it open, and first thing right up there, I see our warranty card right up out there. And in here is our 64GB memory card. Now this is not even a SanDisk, it's an actual official Sony memory card right there. Some more documentation. And now we've also got this with the lens. So we have some more information on upgrading lenses and all that stuff. That's one of the main advantages right now of having the ZV-E10 ahead of the ZV-1. We also get our charging adapter out here. It's a direct charging adapter. And a USB Type-C to A cable for charging. Further in here, alright, this is really sweet. You have a windscreen that goes on top to give you some crisp audio, I guess. I hope it turns out that way. Alright, we have, that is the cable that gets into the charging adapter. Down there further on we get our shoulder strap for our camera. So right here is our NP-FW50 battery. The battery life on this thing, it's not that great, but yeah, more batteries is what we're going to be needing. And now it's time to unveil the big boy of this box. Get this all out of the way, and this is our Sony ZV-E10 in black. Check this thing out, man, it's crazy. Ooh, that is the ZV-E10, packing some weight as well. Not that much, but alright. Compact, takes it off as well. This is what it's all about. That interchangeable lens, got a little bit of a tiltable screen, totally switch it up this way as well. The buttons all look simply laid out. Just simply flip that for the on. You got a zoom rocker out there. That's where we can actually be mounting this windscreen. Just slide it in, and yeah, there you have it. That's your actual look of this camera. This too is now aimed at content creators out there, vloggers. It is what it is, the works, and you even get a Bluetooth grip under this. I didn't really pick that up. Let's quickly pop in the memory card as well as the battery. Just undock this from here, flex open. Where's the memory card at? That goes right in there, slide that down, clicks in place. Get the battery inserted as well. Again, that snaps in place. Right, we have a tripod mount right there. So now in terms of battery life, yeah, that's one thing that really matters so much. Now when we're moving in 4K continuously on video, we're getting at up to 80 minutes of recording time with a microphone connected, that is. So that's kind of doable. It's pretty much decent enough. And when you move it into HD, I think you're getting close to somewhere around double that limit. Right here I also have a charging dock. And what this does is it's actually a separate dock to put in your battery and charge it instead of always having to connect it on while it's in the camera. So that's what it's all about. Now we know what all the good stuff is compared to the ZV-1. We have that removable lens to upgrade it, the APS-C sensor for incredible low light imagery. The ZV-1, it had a 1-inch sensor. This one is actually 3 times more powerful than that, which really makes a difference for people like me, because I don't have that great lighting if I'm shooting indoors, and even at times outdoors. That is, it's sad but true, yeah. Bad lighting, that's what I have. And it also has a better microphone than the ZV-1. The ZV-1, that's the older gen. That talked a lot, but this one's about to make some serious noise, I could tell. Flick this on this way, there we have it. You can use the zoom rocker on the lens as well, but I definitely would be preferring to use this zoom rocker right out here, which is on the camera. We have a record button up there, and yep, this is our main display that you see right now as it is. And you can actually even get this out of there. Then you can next thing up to simply tilt it. And yep, it's really intuitive. And so when you even drop it back down, it snaps in place, it clicks. As for the menus, we get into the menu button right here, and then we have various settings for the image quality, movie. So now this is not the upgraded system that Sony has, and we're using the old operating system on this camera, which is another bummer actually. If you were to see up here on top, we have our simplistic button to defocus or turn it on or off. Right now we are in the background defocus mode. I like the display, it's really neat. You can touch it to change focus points. Notice when we even start recording using this, there's this red bar that shows up all around the screen. Red light right out there, just so that you know that you are recording. On the side out here, we get our microphone jack. Then you flick this door open, and then we have our micro HDMI port. We have a headphone jack as well out there. And up there is our USB Type-C point for charging. Overall, the grip's decent. I've seen a lot of people saying that this camera has a really not that strong looking body. It's more on the cheaper side, but I really can't say it has anything that looks cheap because it looks really premium. That's what it's all about. Let's quickly flip this camera on and give you the footage that you really deserve to watch right now, and take a look at what it's all about from the ZV-E10 fresh up. So this is the first preview using the ZV-E10. And I can literally tell, we have this incredible background defocus feature. So if I just simply put my hand right there, you notice the whole background instantly just simply blows out. And then there's also this incredible feature. So if I sort of decide to bring, for instance, just this lens cover right out there in the front, you notice how it defocuses the background. So that's an excellent feature right again out there. Now I did a bit of a stability test to see if there was any kind of jello effect or bending occurring on the frame. But the stability overall was decent and no sort of jello effect with all of the quick movement. And all this was probably there with the ZV-1, but this is next gen, and next gen is what this channel is all about. We're going to be witnessing this on and on and on, whether it's the cars, the unboxings, you name it, all the vlogs that we're all in for. It's going to be incredible. Thank you for watching. If you do like it, drop a thumbs up to get this kind of quality every single time. I'm Raspreet Gill, and I will see you all for the next one.